All right, in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and talk about adding and embedding content. This is part 3 of creating a Google site. So I'm going to go ahead and start out in the parent portal. I have a Google slide that I would like to embed. So to get to this point, you're going to want to go to File, Publish to Web. You're going to go ahead and do the link. And then I've already published this, so let me go ahead and change that. You're going to go to link, go ahead and hit publish, hit OK, and then you're going to copy the link that's in this box. Now we'll go back to our site, make sure you're on the Insert tab, and click Embed. We're then going to paste the link in the box, let it load, and hit Insert. Now you can see that slide I made is inserted. However, you cannot see the whole thing, so we are going to center it. And I am going to make it bigger. Let's go ahead and make it take up the whole page. The next thing I am going to do is I am going to add a button to this slideshow linking to an article I want my students to read. So still under that Insert tab, I want to scroll down, click the button icon. I'm going to put Web Safety Article, and I will link this article for my students. And click Insert. Same as in the last video, our button pops up kind of small, so I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out across the page, but I'm going to take it one step further because I don't like this space in between my Google slideshow and my button. So I'm going to click and drag my button. Notice how instead of this thick blue line all the way across, the blue line is under my slideshow. That is where I'm going to drop it, and now it is pinned to my slideshow. You'll know you did it right because when you move your slideshow, the button moves with it. You can do this for just about anything. If you want to add a picture, you can place a button underneath it. You can place the button to the side or above it. Any of those options will work. So I want to show you one more thing. Let's go to the parent portal. We're going to go back to the Insert button, and I want to go ahead and show you this placeholder. We're going to click placeholder, and this will put in a little box where you can add a picture or a video or a calendar later on. So if you're not sure what you want to put on your page yet, you just want to get the layout, use the placeholders. You can edit how big they are, where they're at, how small they are, all of those things, and get that just right before you add any other information. The other thing I want to show you is how to embed a YouTube video. So if you click the YouTube button, you can go ahead and it pulls up YouTube. I'm going to search for back to school. And when you hit the search bar, videos come up. I want a back to school song, I think. All right, we have back to school. So I'm going to click on a video, hit select, and I'm going to move this up next to my placeholder. I also want this to be about the same size and fill out the rest of my page. Just drag and fix that, and we're all done. So you'll continue this process and add more content. You can add photos, text, anything you'd like. You can even add more pages. Just remember that if you don't want the pages to show up at the top, you need to go to the 3 dots and hide it from the navigation. In the next video, we'll talk about publishing your site to the web and how to share it with parents and students.